Hello world, my name is Yusuf, I am 16 years old and this is my CS50x final project. This is a to-do list web app made with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, Python Flask and SQLite. So right now there is no user logged in because I haven't created an account yet. So let me click register here and create an account. So I will type some username, maybe Yusuf. I will type some password, some random password, and I will confirm that this is password. But first, if I type a different confirmation, it will tell me here, it will display this message that the password and confirmation do not match. So let me this time put both correctly. And now I have created an account, so it redirects me to the home page, the index page. So this is the checklists page. So I right now I don't have any checklists because I just created this account. So let me create a checklist. I will call this checklist 1, and let's not put a description for now. And as you see, there will be this checklist here, checklist 1. If I click it, it will redirect me to the checklist page. Here is the name of the checklist. I don't have any to-dos in this checklist, so let me add a to-do. Let's call it to-do 1, and it will create this. If I check it, it will be checked, and if I reload the page, it will stay checked. I can create another one. Let's say to-do 2. So this will be created. Let's say to do 3. This will also be created here. So if I check this one, it will be checked, and if I reload the page, it will stay checked. If I delete this one, it will get deleted from the database. If I delete this one, I can delete it. If I delete this one, right now all of them were deleted. Okay, let's go back. Let me create another checklist here, checklist 2 for example. And let's type a description this time. This is a checklist description, and create the checklist. There is this description here, and if I click this one, the description will appear here. I can add a to do just like the first one, to do whatever. I can check it, I can delete it, and that's it. I can also delete the checklists. So I can click delete checklist here, and it will just delete the checklist. I can click delete this one, and it will just delete it. So if I want to reset my password, I can click here. I have to type my old password, so I will type the same password that I typed before, and I have to type a new password, the password that will replace my old password. So first of all, if I type the old password incorrectly and I type something in this new password, it will tell me that the password is incorrect. If I type the old password correctly and type some new password, for example something random, and I click reset password, the password will get reset successfully. So if I log out now, I can log in back. If I type the same username as before, Yusuf, and I type the old password this time, it will be incorrect. If I type the new password, it will be correct, and it will actually log me in. So if I log out actually and try to register with a username that is already taken, I can type this same username, Yusuf, and type some password. Let's say something and something here. It will tell me that a user already exists with this username. If I try to log in with a username that does not exist, so for example Yusuf Ahmed, that's my full name, and some password, it will tell me that no user exists with this username. Okay, so if I log back in with the same username as before and the new password that I just created, I can actually delete the account with this button here, delete account, and I have to type my password to confirm this account deletion. And this will also actually delete all checklists that this user has. So if I type a wrong password, something random like this, it will tell me that the password is incorrect, obviously. So if I type the correct password, I can now delete the account. So the account has been deleted, and it redirected me back to this login page, because right now no user is logged in. So if I try to log in again with the same username as before, after I deleted the account, and I type this password, it will tell me that no user exists with this username. If I try to register, I can create the same account again with the same username, because the previous account has been deleted, and it just logs me in. I know this project is very simple, and it could be better, but I was kind of in a hurry, because right now it's the very last day of 2024, and I'm trying to submit this project before the end of 2024. So this is right now 10:30 p.m. so I only have an hour and a half left. So that's it. Thank you, CS50, for making this awesome course, and hopefully this project passes. Goodbye.